Gonna be getting rid of this ugly chrome air cleaner. It's got an Edelbrock intake manifold, but don't need the Edelbrock air cleaner. So we're gonna go ahead and switch that out. I really like the Ford blue on the engine on these old cars. I need to change that to distributor cap to a black one because that's the wrong blue. But I like it looking kind of stock under the hood. So we're gonna do something about this chrome air cleaner here. Here we have the factory air cleaner assembly for the 67 Mustang 289. You can tell it's a California edition because it's got this little hose fitting here. It goes to the breather on the valve cover. I haven't adhered this to it yet, but it's a brand new sticker to put on there. It's going to clean it up and use it, but this does not fit the Holley 4-barrel double pumper carburetor. So also it's, it's not exactly a performance piece. What I had on there before it came with the car was this Edelbrock, just a 14-inch round air cleaner. I'm not a big fan of this air cleaner lid, so I'm gonna go with something in the middle. So what you want to do is pick up one of your run-of-the-mill 14-inch air cleaner lids. I already painted this one blue. They have them in black or chrome. Get the black one because that way you can just scuff it and shoot it. I painted it once, just rattle can, but there was a whole bunch of dirt in the paint. It must have been a dusty day or something. So I just kind of buzzed it down real quick with some 320. I'm just going to repaint it and then put the decal on there. And once that's on the engine, should look pretty sharp. So there's a couple different Ford blues. There's this right here, DE 1601. This one's way too light. I think this is, I don't know, tractors or maybe a later model. And then this is the dark Ford blue, Duplicolor DE 1606. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this another coat, and hopefully we don't get any dirt in the paint this time. I like to save my old tape rolls. It makes for a nice standoff when you're painting parts. That way you can get around the edge and it's not sticking to the board, it kind of floats. Perfect. So I got some grease and wax remover here. And I should be wearing gloves because the whole point of this is get your grubby fingerprints off of it before you paint it. Let's let it dry overnight and come back tomorrow. It's going to put the sticker on there, but the radius of the curve is wrong for that air cleaner. So I'm just gonna leave it off. It didn't quite look right. I see a lot of guys buy these stickers, whether it's for this or your Chevy or Dodge or whatever you have, and they'll try to put it on just any old air cleaner, and it doesn't look right. Sometimes people will put it here, and obviously it doesn't fit the radius. It doesn't look right. Down here it doesn't fit. I've even seen people put them on the front. It just looks silly being curved. If it's a straight decal, you can get away with it, putting it there and having it look aesthetically okay. This one right here, it actually fits really nice in the curve here, so that could actually fly. Obviously not without the script, but I've seen people like put them up here, and it's like that just does not look right. It's all, I don't know, just looks like trash. So either get the sticker to fit it, or don't put one on at all. But that's just my opinion. This doesn't quite fit the radius contour of the air cleaner lid that I just painted and put on the car, so I'm actually going to go ahead and omit it, and maybe just clean this one up, put it on here, and then put this on eBay. Somebody else who can use a stock air cleaner from Mustang. Even on this one, you can see it doesn't quite fit the radius. It's tight here. It's tight here, and there's a big old gap here, so the curve is not quite right. But that's what they sell us for these things. It's close enough, I guess, but that's where it goes. They also have the decal kit for the Hypo 289. It comes with a chrome air cleaner lid. It's a different shape, design, with a chrome lid, and then it has the 289 high performance logo that goes on the edge, and that one actually fits okay. But not everybody's 2-barrel 289 is a hypo engine. Once it's been on there for a while, it gets a chance to get all nice and dirty. It'll blend right in. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.